Assalamualaikum. I am Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. This is Java Tutorial 2. Today we are going to learn about variables in Java. If you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. This is our favorite NetBeans IDE. Variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. Suppose I want to print my name. How do I do it? Should I write my name is Mohammad Fakhrul Alam Sajib? Will Java understand it? The answer is no. Then how will I print my name? My name is Mohammad Fakhrul Alam Sajib. To do this, first I have to give data type string variable name double quotation. Suppose copying this one, my name Mohammad Fakhrul Alam Sajib, and at the end semicolon. String data type variable name Mohammad Fakhrul Alam Sajib value. This one is data type. Data type. This is variable name. Variable name. This one is value. So first one is data type, second one variable name, and the value. This is the convention we have to follow to declare a variable. Okay. To print this, in my first tutorial I have shown you how to print any value. To do this, just write SOUT, then keyboard shortcut press tab, name. Now I will run this one, keyboard shortcut F6. Mohammad Fakhrul Alam Sajib, my name. Java understand it. If you declare data type, variable name, and data, then system.out println the variable name. Here is the argument. Then Java will understand that you want to print this name Mohammad Fakhrul Alam Sajib. If you want to write like this, my name is, my name is error. So just you have to give the plus sign to remove the error. I'm saving this one. Now I will see my name is Mohammed Fakhrul. Run this F6. See, my name is Mohammed Fakhrul. What I expecting that I want to see in Java. My name is Mohammed Fakhrul. How I will see it. My name is Mohammed Fakhrul. Suppose I want to print my age. How to do it? To do it, you have to introducing new data type that you have to give integer, then variable name. Suppose I'm giving age equals, suppose my age is 50. Age 50. If you hover your mouse, you can see that it is written variable age is not used because I have not used that system.out.println. I have not printed it. To do this, just SOUT tab keyboard shortcut, then write like this: my age is plus sign, then age. This one, age. Save, run this one. My age is 50. Suppose if I want to print that I am alive or not, what data type I will use? I will use then Boolean. Boolean variable name is alive equal true. I'm alive. There is a song, I'm alive. One thing you should remember, you can not keep capital letter true. You will get error. True, cannot find symbol. You have to give small t when you use boolean. True. Then I want to print this one, SOUT, keyboard shortcut tab. I'm asking him, am I alive? I want to sing a song. Not at all. Plus this one. This variable is alive. Say I want to check I'm alive or not. Run. Yes. Am I alive? True. I am alive. Okay. Next. Suppose I want to print my first character M. How will I do it in Java? To do this, You have to give character my first name letter equal. You have to give single quotation M. I want to print my first name letter M. To do this, I have to data type char variable name and the letter with single quotation. Then ASOUT. And to print it, ASOUT, press keyboard shortcut tab. My name's first letter. You have to give plus sign. Save this one. My first name letter. Um, Give me one space to see it clearly. Now running again. Yes, my name's first letter M. My name's first letter M. I can print it in Java. Next, suppose in my pocket I have 100 taka and 50 paisa. How will I print it in Java? To do this, float, float, float. You have to declare that type float. In my pocket equal 100 taka and 50 paisa. 50 paisa. One thing you have to do, you have to give float for f. If you did not give f, then you will get error. Over your mouse, incompatible types, possibly lost convention from double to float. To remove this error, just give f. Float f. For float data type, you have to give in the last f after the numbers. Now, so you to print it, keyboard shortcut tab. In my pocket, I have. You have to give plus sign, then the variable name in my pocket. Save this one. See, I can see or not. See, I can see also. In my pocket, I have 100 taka. 0 is only 50%. If I give 55, then 100 taka 55 paisa. Now I have shown you 5 data types. There are more data types. I'll show it in later. In this tutorial, we have learned how to use string, int data type, integer data type, boolean data type, char data type, float data type. I hope you understand how to use variable in Java. Thank you for watching this video.